In this video, we're going to show how we can have the asteroid explode when the laser hits it. Okay, so first we need to make sure that we are in the asteroid sprite. You can tell you're in the asteroid sprite by looking at the top right-hand side of your script screen. We're going to start by saying when I start as a clone, because these asteroids are clones. And we want to check for each clone by itself, not the asteroid, the main asteroid that started it, but each clone we want to see if it's being hit by the laser. When I start as a clone, then we're going to select forever and an if. We're going to check by going into sensing. We're going to check if that asteroid is touching the laser. If it is touching the laser, then we're going to want to change the costume for our asteroid. So if you click on costumes, you can see you have your regular asteroid, and then we have an exploding asteroid. And we're going to play a sound. If you click on sounds, you'll see that we have a boom sound. So going back to the scripts, we're going to add our sound, play sound boom. We're going to go to looks, switch costume to exploding asteroid. We're going to go into control, and we're going to wait for about 0.2 seconds, and then we'll see how that looks before we destroy this clone. The reason that we have to wait is that you really want the human eye to see that the costume has changed before it gets deleted. And that way the person playing your game will see that it actually exploded. So now if we run the game, I'll see if I can hit one of them. Okay, so you saw one explode, and that might be too fast for you, that the costume changed and then it really quickly deleted the clone, or it might be the right amount of time. One thing I'm noticing is that for me, the asteroids are coming too fast. So I actually want to change the amount of time in between the clones coming. And I may not want it to be always the same amount of time. I could oh, sorry, it's actually down here, my glide, how long it takes for the asteroid to come down from the top of the screen. So I'm going to go into operators, and I'm going to have it pick some random number of seconds for it to glide to the bottom of the screen between 1 second and 3 seconds. So now when I start it, I'll have some that are coming slowly and some that come more quickly. And that actually gives me a little more time to click on it. Okay? Great. Next, we'll learn how to add a score to our